The Trump administration has abruptly scrapped the so-called endangerment finding on fossil fuels, the cornerstone of U.S. greenhouse gas regulations for the past 17 years. The move is drawing sharp criticism for dismissing the climate crisis. Environmental groups are gearing up for legal battles, signaling a storm of backlash on the horizon.
미국 트럼프 행정부가 지난 17년간 온실가스 규제 근거로 삼아온 화석 연료에 대한 위해성 판단을 전격 폐기했습니다. 기후위기를 부정했다는 지적과 함께 환경단체 소송 등 후폭풍이 이어질 전망입니다. Okay, so they are scrapping it altogether.
Right. So they are scrapping this so-called endangerment finding that was established under the Obama administration in 2009. So an endangerment finding is basically an official scientific declaration
Yes.
that some kind of pollutant or a group of pollutants are actually threatening public health, people's health. So it needs to have that declaration put on it, and then it can be regulated against. It's the
Right.
legal basis for regulating 6 major greenhouse gases. That includes CO2, of course, and methane as well. Now completely gone. Policies on vehicle fuel efficiency and power plant emissions also getting undermined as well.
Right. 트럼프 행정부가 현지 시간 12일 2009년 오바마 정부의 위해성 판단, endangerment finding 규정을 공식 폐기했습니다. The endangerment finding, 이게 지난 17년간 미국의 환경 정책의 근거가 되어온 과학 선언이거든요. 과학적 선언. So once they have overturned that, it means 지금은 차량의 연비, 발전소의 배출 등 대부분의 기후 관련 규제들이 이제는 완화될 것으로 보입니다.
And Trump says it's going to erase a lot of regulatory costs, but of course not taking into account all the effect on the environment. You can just imagine just black clouds of smoke pumping into the air. It kind of gives a little bit of a thematic background to his whole vibe a little bit.
Right, very anti-science, to say the least. Okay, so let's talk more about the endangerment finding. 위해성 판단. endangerment는 위협이 됨. finding 공식적인 판단이죠.
Yeah.
So as you mentioned before, 구체적으로는 특정 물질이 공중보건, public health이거나 아니면 environment, 환경에 위협이 된다는 공식 판단입니다. And usually it's used as the basis for greenhouse gas control
Yeah.
or climate change control measures.
Yeah, it's used as a requirement. You need to have that declaration in order to put rules and emission standards on whatever industry or whatever product.
Exactly. What's a cornerstone? We've done this before.
Okay, it's an important one. It's the
It is very important.
cornerstone of a lot of explanations that we give. Basically, it's the first stone that is set when you're constructing something out of stone. So all the other stones have to be laid in reference to that one stone. So it can be also used in business or philosophy or law, just meaning the most important, most essential part of a system or plan. The element, the part that everything else depends on for its success.
Right. The most foundational part, you could say.
Yep.
cornerstone, corner, 모퉁이, stone, 돌, 즉 초석입니다. And it's used figuratively to mean 핵심, 기초, and so on. For example, education is the cornerstone of a strong society. 교육은 강한 사회의 초석이다. Education is the cornerstone of a strong society. The policy became the cornerstone of economic reform. 그 정책은 경제 개혁의 핵심 기반이 되었다. The policy became the cornerstone of economic reform. Here's the article again. The Trump administration has abruptly scrapped the so-called endangerment finding on fossil fuels, the cornerstone of U.S. greenhouse gas regulations for the past 17 years. The move is drawing sharp criticism for dismissing the climate crisis. Environmental groups are gearing up for legal battles, signaling a storm of backlash on the horizon. And now on to warning bells about over-reliance on cruise control.
Right. A growing number of accidents have been caused by drivers relying solely on the cruise control feature, which maintains speed without the need to press the accelerator. Police stress that motorists must keep their eyes on the road at all times, regardless of the situation.
가속 페달을 밟지 않아도 속도를 유지해주는 크루즈 컨트롤 기능만 믿고 운전하다가 사고를 내는 사례가 이어지고 있습니다. 경찰은 어떤 상황에서든 운전자는 반드시 전방 주시를 해야 한다고 강조했습니다.
네.
Do you use this feature?
I'd never do. No, do you?
Oh, you have it, but you just never use it?
I just use my own foot.
Because you don't trust it, or it doesn't feel like driving?
I don't know. I prefer to be kind of in control of the car, I think. I don't even like when other people drive the
Oh,
car.
okay. You like to be the one behind the wheels and maintaining full control of the vehicle.
Are you out there cruising?
I am out there cruising.
Yeah.
그런데 제 친구들 중에 I won't name names obviously. 근데 크루즈 컨트롤을 사용할 때 그 오른발을 아예 그냥 바닥에 내려두고 크루즈 컨트롤 하는 친구들이 있거든요.
Okay.
Because that's more comfortable.
Uh-huh.
그런데 저는 그래도 I at least have my feet over the brakes
Right.
just in case
Sure.
the cruise control doesn't work.
Right, because cars these days, a lot of them, especially newer cars, do have automatic braking. But when you're setting cruise control, you're usually going very fast.
Yes.
So it doesn't work very well. And so actually, according to the Korea Expressway statistics from 2020 to 2025, highway accidents that are related to cruise control totaled only 31, but 21 fatalities out of those 31 accidents.
Right.
So there's a very high deadliness fatality rate related to these cruise control accidents because, of course, you probably are going very fast when you
Right.
put the cruise control on.
한국 도로공사 통계를 보면요. 2020년에서 2025년 사이에 고속도로 ACC, Automatic Cruise Control 관련 사고가 31건인데 이 중에 21명이 사망을 했습니다. So
Yeah.
as you mentioned, the 치사율, the fatality rate is very high.
Right, that ACC is adaptive cruise control.
sorry.
So it does have some sort of adaptation in there. It will kind of speed up and slow down based on the flow of traffic a little bit, but it's not autonomous driving, right? It's just a speed assist tool. But I think people get maybe a little bit too comfortable with it or too confident about it and they trust it a little too much.
Yeah.
And that's when you start to get into trouble.
Right. From my personal experience of having used ACC for a while now, 멈춰 있는 차, 앞에 멈춰 있는
Right.
차나 옆 차선에서 들어오는 차,
Yeah.
they are not very good at detecting those.
That sounds like a bad thing. Those sound very important things to be able to detect.
Right.
That's
So-
why I don't use it.
Exactly. So I think the best case scenario of using ACC or the most useful scenario is in stop and go traffic. So when you're going at a very slow pace, 그럴 때 악셀 밟았다가 브레이크 밟았다가
Yeah.
악셀 그것보다는 크루즈 컨트롤 해놓으면 이제 조금씩 알아서 찔끔찔끔 따라가 주거든요.
Okay.
But then that is safer. But bottom line, keep your eyes on the road.
Yeah, especially if you're going fast.
Yes. Okay, so let's have a look at some expressions
Yep.
here. Rely solely on something.
Right. Solely just means only. Rely means to depend on something. So it means you're depending on only one source, one thing for your success or for your safety in this case.
Rely on something, 뭐뭐에 의존하다라는 뜻이잖아요. 그런데 그 표현 사이에 solely가 들어갔습니다. S-O-L-E-L-Y. 그래서 뭐뭐에만 의존하다가 되는 거죠. Rely solely on something. For example, the company relied solely on one supplier. 그 회사는 한 공급 업체에만 전적으로 의존했다.
And that can lead to problems.
Multitude of problems. The company relied solely on one supplier. You shouldn't rely solely on luck. 운에만 의존해서는 안 된다. Obviously, you shouldn't rely solely on luck. Okay, so rely solely on something, 뭐뭐에만 의존하다.
Right. Usually used in a negative context
Yes.
because you usually want to have a plan B. Right. You
And
don't
plan
want,
C.
Exactly. You don't want to rely solely on one thing.
Because then You're putting all your eggs in one basket.
Hey, good one.
Okay. And keep your eyes on the road. What does that mean?
Pretty self-explanatory. Basically, watch what you're doing when you're driving. Focus on driving or concentrate.
Right, don't look at the screens, don't fiddle with the buttons.
Yeah.
Don't sleep. Two of the accidents from here, people were actually sleeping apparently.
Sure, I don't think they were meant to fall asleep, but
Yes.
maybe they just dozed off. Or like Yosunim on AI issue, he'd be taking a shower maybe.
Oh, yes. Taking a shower in the car sometime in the future. But no, for now, at least, you want to keep your eyes on the road. 전방을 주시하다.
네.
Okay, here's the article again. A growing number of accidents have been caused by drivers relying solely on the cruise control feature, which maintains speed without the need to press the accelerator. Police stress that motorists must keep their eyes on the road at all times, regardless of the situation.